Namaste everyone. My name is Kundan Mishra and welcome to the weight loss series. So today's session we will start with Surya Namaskara, Shivananda style. After that, we have some asanas practice. So let's get started. Sit down in any comfortable posture like Sukhasana, Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. Palm resting on your knees in a chin mudra. The spine stretched, shoulder roll back, slightly bend your elbows, neck straight. Softly close your eyes. Give a beautiful smile on your face. Take a long, slow inhale and long, slow exhale. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale deeply 3 to 4 times. Now bring your awareness towards the environment. Feel the air touching to your skin. Feel the contact between your palms and knees. Listen the sound around you. Any kind of sound. Now slowly bring your awareness towards your breathing. So you feel your breathing pattern, your inhalation, your exhalation. When you inhale, chest rise a little, stomach goes up. When you exhale, the stomach goes down. Now take a long, slow inhale and long, slow exhale. Joined hand to the chest in Namaste. Prepare yourself for a practice. We will start today's practice with one Omkara. So all together, inhale. Chin down, gratitude to Mother Earth. Rub your palm. Place your palm over your eyes. Cover your face and gently open your eyes. So before moving towards Surya Namaskara, let's have some warm up. Now place your left palm on the side of your left thighs. Stretch your right leg up and with the exhalation bend towards left and try to look up. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, shift to other side. Feel the stretch on your core. This is very good warm up for your core. It makes you stronger. Inhale, come to middle. Exhale, bend towards right. Inhale, exhale, 4 to 5 times. Now coming to the center. Now place your right palm on your left knee and left palm on the back side. With the exhalation, just twist your body, spine stretched, and look back. If you are feeling not comfortable, then you can look forward towards your right shoulder. Stay here. With every exhalation, twist yourself more and more. Now with the inhalation coming to the center, with the exhalation, shift to other side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the inhalation, come to center. Now lift your right leg and place like this in a back side. Join your finger, place your palm on the back side of your head. Slightly bend towards your left knee. Now with the exhalation, fold forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale, fold. 3. Inhale, come up. Exhale, 4. One more. 5. Now shift to other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release. Sit down in a Malasana. Your feet around 1 feet apart. Spine stretched. Look forward. With the inhalation, stand up on your mat. Now with the exhalation, sit down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, sit down. 3, 4, 5. This is very good for your leg. One more. Now with the inhalation, stand up. Now your feet 4.5 feet apart. Stretch your arm forward. With the exhalation, shift towards right. Inhale, come up. Exhale towards left. This will help you to reduce the fat from your thighs, from your inner thigh. It makes you a strong core. So inhalation, come to center. Now with that, we are moving towards the Surya Namaskara. So coming to the top of the mat, feet together, palm on the side of your thighs. Look straight, spine stretched. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, join hand to chest in Namaste. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Place your palm on the side of your feet. Slightly bend your knees. Chin closer to the knees. Inhale, take a right leg back. Drop your right knees. Foot flat, open your chest. Retain your breath. Take a left leg back to a strong Dandasana. Exhale, knee, chest, chin on the mat. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Lift your chest up to a navel region. Exhale. Hip up, heel on the mat. Inhale, take a right leg forward in between your palm. Your ankle and your knees should be in a one line. Open your chest. Exhale. Take a left leg forward. Chin closer to the knees. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Pranmasana. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, take a left leg back. Open your chest. Retain your breath, right leg back to strong Dandasana or high plank. Exhale, knee chest in on the mat. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip higher, heel on the mat. Inhale, take left leg forward. Open your chest. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Pranmasana, Samasthiti. Inhale, exhale, Pranmasana. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, take right leg back. Open your chest. Retain your breath, left leg back to strong Dandasana. Exhale, knee chest in on the mat. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip higher, heel on the mat to Parvatasana. Inhale, take right leg forward. Open your chest to Asvasanchalana. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Pranmasana. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, take a left leg back. Open your chest. Retain your breath. Right leg back to Dandasana. Exhale, knee chest in on the mat to Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip higher, heel on the mat. Inhale, take a left leg forward. Open your chest. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Pranmasana, Samasthiti. Inhale, exhale, Pranmasana. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, take right leg back. Open your chest. Retain your breath, left leg back to strong Dandasana. Exhale, knee chest in on the mat. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip higher, heel on the mat to Parvatasana. Inhale, take right leg forward. Open your chest to Asvasanchalana. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Pranmasana. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, take a left leg back. Open your chest. Retain your breath. Right leg back to Dandasana. Exhale, knee chest in on the mat to Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip higher, heel on the mat. Inhale, take a left leg forward. Open your chest. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Pranmasana, Samasthiti. Inhale, exhale, Pranmasana. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, take right leg back. Open your chest. Retain your breath, left leg back to strong Dandasana. Exhale, knee chin on the mat. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip higher, heel on the mat to Parvatasana. Inhale, take right leg forward, open your chest to Asvastanchalana. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Pranmasana. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, take a left leg back. Open your chest. Retain your breath. Right leg back. Dandasana. Exhale. Knee chest chin on the mat to Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, hip higher, heel on the mat. Inhale, take a left leg forward. Open your chest. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, arch back. Exhale to Brahmasana, Samastitihi. Now coming to the middle of the mat. Feet around 1.5 feet apart. Palm on the side of your thighs. Take a long, slow inhale and long, slow exhale. Keep breathing 4 to 5 times. Inhale, exhale deeply. This is for restoring our energy to practice asana. Now gently open your eyes. We will start with the standing series. In a standing series, your feet around 3.5 feet apart, your left feet parallel to the mat and right turn 90 degrees to right. Stretch your arm. With the exhalation, fold towards your right feet. Place your palm on your ankle, on the side of the feet, on your shin bone, and try to look up. Hold here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come up. Shift to other side. Right feet parallel to the mat. Left, 90 degrees to the left. With the exhalation, fold forward. And look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Slowly come up. Come to Samastiti. Now your feet around 4.5 feet apart. Turning your right feet 90 degrees to right, left parallel to the mat. Bend your right knee. Place your right palm on the outside of your right feet. Stretch your left hand closer to the ear and try to look up. From your toes, your heel to your finger should be in a one line. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Slowly come up. Shift to other side. Your right feet parallel to the mat and your left 90 degrees to left. Bend your knees, thigh parallel to the mat. Place your left palm on the outside of your left feet. Stretch your right hand closer to the ear and look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale to Samasthiti. Now sit down on your mat. Come to Marjariyasana. Your shoulder and your wrist in one line. Your palm, shoulder width apart. With the inhalation, make an arc in your back. Try to touch your chin to chest and make a round your back. Inhale. Exhale. Do it 5 to 6 times. Exhale. This asana will help you to make your spine flexible. If someone is suffering from a pain, like a back pain, neck pain, this asana will help in that. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now lie down on your mat. Place your palm under the shoulder. Your tip of the big finger and your shoulder should be in one line. So with the inhalation, chest up. Your pelvic region should be in a ground. And try to look up and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the exhalation, go mat. Now grab your right ankle from your right hand, left ankle from a left hand. With the inhalation, lift your chest up, then your thighs up and hold here. Pura Dhanurasana. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Coming on mat. Now sit down in a Vajrasana. Take a 2 to 3 breath here. Now stand up on your knees. Today we will practice a camel pose or a Ushtasana. So initially you just tuck in your toes so that your heel a little bit higher. Now grab your left heel from your left hand and with the inhalation lift your right hand and grab your right heel with the right hand and push your pelvic forward and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the exhalation, lift your right hand and slowly your left hand. This asana will help you to make a stronger core, reduce the fat from your core, your thighs. This is a very good back bending exercise. Now lie down in a child pose. And hold here for 5 to 6 breaths. Keep breathing. Now inhale. Sit down on your mat. Sit down in a Baddha Kona, like butterfly. So sole together of your both the feet, the spine stretch. Up and down your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This butterfly will help you to reduce fat from your inner thighs. Those who is suffering from PCOD and PCOS or menstruation related any problem, this is very good asana for them. So now with the exhalation, fold forward and try to touch your chin on mat and hold here. 1. With every exhalation, go deeper in the position. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come up. Stretch your leg forward. The spine is stretched. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Grab your big toes with the 2-finger grip. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, fold forward as much as you can and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, release. Now place your palm on the back side for a Purvattanasana. With the inhalation, lift your hip, lift your chest higher towards the ceiling. Inhale and try to place your feet on a mat. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and sit down on a mat. This is very good asanas for who is suffering from ankle. This asana will help, and it also helps to reduce the fat from a calf muscle to your thighs, your back, your core. So next asana is Navasana. So slightly bend your knees, slightly tilt towards your back. Now with the inhalation, lift your heel from a mat, stretch your arm forward and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Now we will practice Sarvangasana, Halasana, Karnpirasana, and after that a Chakrasana. So lie down on your back, bend your knees, and with the exhalation, lift your hip and place your palm under the hip. And with the exhalation, lift your trunk as much as higher. Your trunk should be parallel, perpendicular to the mat. Stretch your leg forward and hold. 1, 2. Those who have a menstruation period, who just avoid this asana or any inversion asana. This asana will help you in a hair growth, shoulder, making the shoulder stronger. Hold here. Now with the exhalation, drop your feet over the head and hold it. Now drop your knees on the mat and try to grab your ear. That's why this is called a Karnpirasana. Hold here. Stretch your leg. Lift your leg. Now slowly side and rest. Now place your palm on the side of your or closer to the ear. Bend your knees. With the inhalation, lift your hip, lift your chest, and lift your head towards the ceiling for Chakrasana and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now with the exhalation, place your body on mat. Stretch your leg. Now bend your knees and hug your knees. Try to touch your chin to the knees. Drop your head on mat. Roll from left to right or right to left. Now lie down on your mat for a Savasana. Feet around 1.5 feet apart. Palm on the side of your thighs. Eyes closed. Take a long, slow inhale and a long, slow exhale. Stay here in a Savasana for 5 to 6 minutes to restoring our energy. After 5 minutes, join your finger of both the hand, stretch your arm over the head, stretch your full body from a toes for fingers. Now release your hand, slightly bend your knees and turn one side and slowly sit down in a cross leg position. Joined hand to the chest in Namaste.